Still struggling to make money online? Feeling lost with zero tech or marketing skills? Perfect. Super Funnel Academy was built for you. This isn't just another shiny software or guru course. It's a ready-to-launch system where 98% of the setup is already done, and you get real human coaching to finish the rest. Let's be honest, most people don't fail online because they're lazy. They fail because they're overwhelmed by too many tools, too much advice, and not enough guidance. Super Funnel Academy ends the chaos. You don't need to guess. You don't need tech skills. You just follow a simple, proven path and launch even without pants on. 98% of the infrastructure already built, free expert coaching included, newbie-friendly steps, absolutely, ads or expensive tools not required. This is like GPS for your online business. You don't need to know the route. Just press start. Real people, total beginners, are seeing their first commissions online. No audience, no funnel skills, no problem. This system was made for people just starting out. This isn't a course. It's not a pitch. It's a real business in a box, with coaching and community included. Click the link below to watch the free webinar. No fluff, just results.